Hello everyone, this is Srushti and Department of ISC. Semester first subject Introduction to Mechanical Engineering. Topic on components of CNC machine. Components of CNC machine. CNC machine have revolutionized manufacturing, enabling precise and efficient production of complex parts. Understanding their essential components is crucial for operating, maintaining, and optimizing these versatile machines. This presentation will explore the key elements that make up a CNC machine, providing an in depth look at their functions and instructions. Introduction to CNC technology. Computerized numerical control. CNC stands for computerized numerical control. It is a technology that uses computer programs to control the movements of machine tools. CNC machines are able to produce parts with high accuracy and repeatability, making them essential for precision manufacturing. Advanced manufacturing capabilities. CNC machines are capable of performing various tasks including milling, drilling, and routing. They can process a wide range of materials including materials, plastics, and wood. This versatile makes them indispensable in various industries. Overview of CNC machine anatomy. Spindle and drive system. The spindle is the rotating component that holds the cutting tool. It is driven by a motor which provides the necessary power for manufacturing operations. Tool handling and automation. The tool holder is a mechanism that surely attaches the cutting tool to the spindle. Automated tool chargers allow for quick and efficient tool swaps during machine operations. Machine control and programming. CNC machine uses specified control system to preciously guide the movement of the tool and workpieces. These systems interpret programs that defines the total paths and machine parameters. Work holding and fixation. Work holding systems are designed to surely hold the workpiece in place during machining operations. Flexuring ensures that the workpiece is positing accurately and remains stable without the manufacturing process. Spindle and drive systems. Spindle types. CNC machine utilizes various spindle types including horizontal and vertical spindles depending on the manufacturing applications. The spindle speed and torque are critical factors influencing the machining process. Drive system components. The drive system consists of a motor, gearbox, and transmission components that converts electrical power into mechanical rotation for the spindle. The motor type and control technology significantly impact the spindle's performance and efficiency. Tool holding and automation. Tool holders. Tool holders are designed to hold and secure the cutting tool to the spindle, ensuring accurate positioning and rigidity during machining. They come in various shapes and sizes to accommodate different tools and applications. Automated tool changer. Automated tool changer are a crucial component of CNC machine. They enable rapid tool swapping, allowing the machine to switch between different tools efficiently during a machining operation. This automation reduces downtime and increases positively. Motion control and programming. Control system. The control system is the brain of a CNC machine, interpreting program instruction and controlling the movement of the tool and workpieces. Motion control. Motion control refers to the precise control of the machine's axis, ensuring that the tool moves accurately allowing the programmed path. Programming. CNC programming are written using a specialized language that defines the tool path, machining parameters, and other instruction for the machine. Work holding and fixturing. Work holding system are essential for securely holding the workpiece in place during machining operations. They ensure stability and accuracy, uh, preventing the workpiece from moving during the cutting process. Fixturing is the process of designing and creating custom or standard fixtures to position and hold the workpiece accurately relative to the cutting tool. Fixturing ensures that the workpiece is properly aligned for the machining operation. Clamping. Clamping machines are used to hold the workpiece securely within the fixture. These machines are designed to apply the necessary force to prevent movement during the machine process. Maintenance and safety consideration. Regular maintenance. Preventive maintenance is essential for ensuring the longevity and reliability operation of a CNC machine. It involves regular inspection, lubrication, and cleaning of key components. Safety precision. Working with CNC machine required strict adherence to safety protocols. Operators must wear personal protective equipment and follow all safety guidelines to prevent accident. Emergency procedures. It is a crucial to have established emergency procedures in place of holding unexpected events during CNC machine operation. These procedures should include safety measures for operators and machine. CNC spindle. CNC spindle provides the power to rotate the cutting tool at high speeds. Bearings support the spindle and minimize friction during rotation. Tool holder connects the cutting tool to the spindle. Tool holder collect securely complements the cutting tool to the spindle. Shank connects the collector to the spindle. Interface allows the tool holder to the mounted on the spindle. Workpiece or material. Material selection. The type of material determines the cutting tools and machining parameters. Workpieces holding. A fixture securely holding the workpieces during machine. Geometric accuracy. The workpiece is made to precious dimensions. Cutting tools and mill for milling operation. Drilling for drilling holes. Tapes for creating threads. Remains for uh, finishing holes. Drive machine. Linear motor preciously move the workpiece along the XY and Z axis. Bell screws convert rotational motion for the motors into linear motion. Control system interpret interaction and consider coordinates the uh, movements of the drive machine. Advantages of CNC machines are accuracy. CNC machine can produce p- pro- parts with extremely high precision. Efficiency. CNC machine is highly automated, reducing labor, costing, and production time. Versatility. CNC machine can create a wide range of complex shape and designs. Thank you.